Electrical potential therapy equipment is a type of alternative therapy that uses electrical fields to treat various health conditions. This therapy is based on the concept that the body has its own natural electrical fields, and that certain health conditions can be improved by restoring balance to these fields. The equipment used in electrical potential therapy typically generates high potential and negative potential electrical fields at mid-frequency levels. These fields are designed to imitate the natural electrical fields found in the environment and in the human body. The therapy works by applying these electrical fields to the body, which can stimulate the nervous system, increase blood flow, and promote the healing of damaged tissues. This therapy is often used to treat a variety of conditions, including chronic pain, insomnia, fatigue, and poor circulation. After processing by equipment, the alternative current, AC, is transformed to AC high voltage alternating electric field, which can make all parts of the user vibrate subtly. Therefore the imbalance of the body tissues and organs are fully recovered, and the inherent healing capacity of a human is improved. The cells will be activated effectively, the nerve conduction function will be strengthened, and the gastrointestinal motility will be accelerated to achieve the treatment of chronic constipation. By means of an artificial method, the electric field with high vibration frequency is acted on the human body, spreading around the user, and generating a stable mid-frequency electromagnetic field of AC high voltage negative electricity to promote blood circulation, unclog the collaterals, and release pain. The current AC is transformed into an AC high voltage alternating electric field, which can make all parts of the user vibrate subtly. What to expect from such treatment? As a result of vibrated body parts, the imbalance of the body tissues and organs is fully recovered, the inherent healing capacity of a human is improved, the cells will be motivated effectively, the nerve conduction function will be strengthened, and the gastrointestinal motility will be accelerated to achieve the treatment of chronic constipation. Recommendation: time management should be according to individual body adaptation to proceed in an orderly way and select the output function when starting to use the electric potential treatment meter. The design default treatment time is 30 minutes, with high potential and negative potential of 5000 V, 7000 V, and 9000 V. Learn more. Before using the high potential therapy program, the blood cells are stacked together, and the body is in an acidic condition. After using this program, the blood cells are separated and the body is in a low alkaline condition. Using the high potential therapy program for 30 minutes has the same effect as 2 hours of massage. It stimulates blood flow, regulates blood pressure, improves the immune system, and regulates the endocrine system. Using the negative potential sleep mode function for 60 minutes can make your body fully rest. 30 minutes has the effect of 5 hours of body massage. It also helps to reduce blood stickiness, accelerate blood sugar decomposition and regulate the endocrine system. At the same time, it can improve sleeping quality, balance your hormone, and increase cell metabolism. Why negative potential energy? The electrical charge in the plasma membrane of the interior cell has a negative charge compared to the cell's exterior, which is a positive charge. This internal negative charge is necessary for nutrients to get into the cell and toxins and waste to get out of the cell. This internal charge is maintained by the exchange of sodium and potassium from the inside to the outside of the cell. In the cell membrane interrupts the active and passive diffusion processes. It caused aging, loss of energy, and disease, lack of cell function. Balance of plus/ promotes a faster metabolism, stimulates cells, reactive ATP and enzymes, prevents loss of nutrients, improves oxygen levels, and blood circulation, and reduces stress and toxin. Benefits of potential therapy are: red blood stream. Revive cells and rejuvenate cells of the whole body. Increase metabolism, purify bodily fluids, and improve the cleansing of toxins inside the body. Remove free radicals. promote blood circulation and the body's microcirculation, high voltage negative potential, and strengthen the body's immune system. However, with all these benefits, it is important to note that the effectiveness of this therapy may vary from person to person, and it should not be used as a substitute for medical treatment. If you are considering potential therapy, it is recommended to consult with a qualified medical doctor or healthcare practitioner first.